Good morning everyone. Myself Anushka Sharma, nursing tutor of the Rama University Mandna Kanpur. Today we are presenting a topic, minor alignment of the pregnancy. Okay, minor alignment of the pregnancy, which is defined as like there is a many alterations occurs in female body like physiological changes, hormonal changes, metabolic changes during the period of pregnancy. Okay, now we discuss about the topic definition of the minor alignment of the pregnancy, which is also known as alterations of the pregnancy occurs during the pregnancy. There are many causes which are responsible for the alterations occurs in female during the pregnancy, like that hormonal changes, physiological changes, metabolic changes. Others changes also found in pregnancy, which are discussed next by next. First, minor alignment occurs during the pregnancy, which is nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting arises during the period of pregnancy, which is caused by due to increase in HCG hormone, which is mostly found in primigravida mothers. Primigravida mothers, which is mostly seen in primigravida mother which conceived the pregnancy first time. Okay. Now we discuss the management of the nausea and vomiting. Okay. Now we discuss the management. First management, intake of fluid. Increase the intake of fluid amount approximately 8 to 10 glass water per day. 8 to 10 glass water fluid intake per day, or 8 to 10 liter fluid intake per day. Next management is avoid the spicy and oily food. Avoid the spicy and oily food. And the next one is take a small diet infrequently. These are the management for the nausea and vomiting. In severe condition, if we see severe vomiting and nausea in women, we then in this condition doctor prescribe the MSATs. Next, in severe vomiting and nausea conditions, doctor prescribe MSAT medicine to treat the nausea and vomiting. Okay, in excessive nausea and vomiting की conditions, doctors prescribe MSAT medicine to relieve the nausea and vomiting. Now we discuss the next minor alignment, which is backache. In backache, there is a pain arises in lower back of the female, which is caused by due to the relaxation of the pelvic muscle, which is arises due to relaxation of the pelvic muscles and physiological changes and backache arises due to relaxation of the pelvic muscles and physiological changes occurs during the pregnancy. Now we discuss the management of the backache. First one is avoid high heels and rest. Firstly, we discuss the management. Avoid high heels. Firstly, management we are discussed already. First point है we avoid the high heels wearing. Next one है lose their weight during pregnancy, and the next one is take a proper rest. And the next one is use pelvic girdle belt. During sitting position and standing position, and also includes in walking. So we use pelvic girdle belt during the sitting positions, standing position, and also in walking positions, walking conditions. And the last one is final management is hot applications uses. Use hot applications in a particular area where the pain arises during long-term sitting positions, long-term standing positions. The backache arises due to long time standing, sitting positions. This is treated by the use of hot applications. Now, next alignment we discuss constipation. The third alignment arises during the pregnancy. This is constipation, which is most common problem arises during the pregnancy due to immobility, and metabolic changes occurs during the pregnancy. Then constipations arises during immobility of the female and metabolic changes occur during the pregnancy, which is treated by or managed by following points, which is you can follow by in their day-to-day life activities. First, more intake of fluid. More intake of fluid. Today, which is previously discussed about 8 to 10 liter per day. Next, increase the fibers diet. Increase the fibers diet. Avoid the spicy and fatty food. The next one, exercise, antenatal exercise. You can perform the antenatal exercises to relieve in constipations. Next, minor alignment, which is leg cramps, which is also arises during the pregnancy. Leg cramps causes due to the lack of calcium level and increased phosphorus level in human body. Leg cramps increases lack of calcium, otherwise increase phosphorus level in female, which arises leg cramps or legs pain, leg spasm during the time of pregnancy, which is managed by following points such as elevations of the leg about 20 to 30 degree. Okay. The next one is apply hot application on area where the pain occurs. The next one is, next management we discuss leg massage. Where pain occurs, we perform leg massage to relieve the pain arises during pregnancy. Next one is, we advise to lose their weight. Weight arise होता है, we during pregnancy weight arises, which is lost by the female by performing antenatal exercises. Antenatal exercises. So, the leg cramps also managed by the exercise, antenatal exercise, which leads to lose their weight, which is arises during the pregnancy. So these management taken by the relief of leg cramps. Next one is heartburn. next minor alignment is which is heartburn. Heartburn arises due to the relaxation of lower sphincter lower esophageal sphincter, which is the part of GI system. The most common heartburn minor alignment which is caused by due to the relaxation of lower esophageal sphincter, in which relaxation of lower sphincter reflex action occurs in GI system. The content of stomach reflex fluid upward direction to the mouth. Okay, so now we manage the heartburn conditions or relieve the heartburn conditions of the female by the following management. First one is fluid intake. We advise the mother or female to take more fluid intake. Next one is change the positions during comfortable rest conditions, especially lateral position. We advise mother take a lateral position during the resting time. Next one is head elevated. The female which is suffer heartburning conditions, we advise during the resting conditions she can elevate their head by the using pillow and relieve the heartburn conditions. The next one is avoiding spicy and oily food, which is also help in relaxation in heartburn conditions. And in severe heartburn condition, doctors prescribe the anti-acid medicine. Anti-acid medicine like ranitidine, omeprazole, these medicine relieve the heartburn conditions. Only prescribe when doctors prescribe the anti-acid medicine to the female in severe heartburn conditions. The next one is, the next minor alignment is pica. Pica, what is pica? Pica is a habit, eating habits. Pica क्या है? Pica is a eating habits of uneaten foods, uneaten material like chalks, charcoal, like that. So pica is a habits of uneaten food like chalks, charcoals, mitti. These things eaten by the female during the pregnancy, which is called pica. The next one is urinary. The next minor alignment, which is also commonly found in female during the pregnancy, which is urinary urgency or frequency. Which is caused by due to pressure of the gravid uterus, which is caused by due to pressure of gravid uterus on bladder of the female, which leads to voiding and urgency, urine urgency. So this discomfort managed by following points. First one is take adequate amount of water, during the daytime, and avoid night intake of fluid. So as we discuss, like take adequate amount of fluid for the proper urinations. Now the manage by following statements, which is also written by me. First one is adequate intake of the fluid during the daytime, which also provided relief, urine urgency increases frequently during the pregnancy. The next one is urine urgency treated by the next point, void regular interval, voiding of the urine in particular regular interval. The next management is provided sideline position. Female must take sideline position during the sleeping time. Next, we advise mother or female must wear the perineal pads, okay, if needed. Urine urgency and frequency occurs more and more during day or night time. in this condition, in that condition, female wear perineal pads if needed. The next management is the female perform Kegel exercises during the pregnancy, which also useful in relief in problem of urine urgency or frequency. Now we discuss the next minor alignment, which is also found in female during the pregnancy, which is caused by hormonal changes previously discussed. And the next minor alignment is ankle edema or swelling of ankle, which is caused by due to the vasodilation, venous stasis, or increase venous pressure during the time of pregnancy, which is also relieve the following points. First one is, which is already discussed in previous minor alignments, elevate legs with the help of pillow, by use of pillow. Ankle edema, which is reduced by, first one is elevate legs by the use of pillow, and the second one is apply hot application, next one is weight loss, lose weight by the female by the performing Kegel exercises and antenatal exercises. So, which is important, women which is pregnant who require lose their weight, which also relieve in ankle edema. Fourth one is wear stocking, wear supportive stocking. Okay, so ankle edema, which is also managed by wearing supportive stocking. So these are the management for the ankle edema. The next minor alignment is breast tenderness. Next minor alignment है which is breast tenderness. Breast tenderness also causes the discomfort during the pregnancy in female, which is caused by which is due to arise by increase estrogen and progesterone hormone. Estrogen and progesterone, as we know, estrogen and progesterone hormones increases during the pregnancy, which cause the breast tenderness in female, which is managed by following advices given to the mother. First one is, female must wear supportive bra. Second one is, apply the hot application. Third one is, maintain hygiene. Maintain hygiene of the breast during the pregnancy. And the fourth one is, avoid applying of soap in nipple and areola part of the breast. So now continue the minor elements of the pregnancy. The next minor element is varicose vein. Varicose vein, which is also affected during the pregnancy. In varicose vein, if we found obstruction of the venous, or relaxation of the smooth muscles, which leads to varicose vein, which is managed by following points, which is written by me. So we see some management for the varicose vein. The first one is, elevate leg. Female must elevate the leg for the relief of varicose vein. The next one is, female must avoid downward forcefully massaging of the legs. The next one is, we advise female to must wear supportive shoes during walking. And the next one is, we advise to female avoid the long time standing, which also leads or relax the varicose vein discomfort of the female. The next minor element is, final is leukorrhea, which is also known by vaginal discharge. Simply we say that vaginal discharge or leukorrhea, which arises due to hyperplasia of the vaginal mucosa, or we can say increase production of vaginal mucosa, which leads to following discomfort in female during the pregnancy, which is managed by the following points. First one is, don't worry about the vaginal discharge, which is normally occurs in female during the pregnancy due to the hormonal changes, physiological changes and metabolic changes. So now we can see the leukorrhea, vaginal discharge, as we know. So this is managed by the followings, which is also written by me. First one is cleaning and hygiene. First one is female must require to clean their vagina, perineal air, genital tract and maintain the hygiene by the using plain water in home. The next one is female wear cotton underwear if required. If necessary, you can see vaginal discharge is permanently, frequently, then we can advise you wear cotton underwears. The next one is if vaginal discharge occurs which leads to infection in female. If you can say infection, redness, pain, you feel pain, you can discuss with the doctors. Metronidazole. Which medicine is used to treat the infections in female? So this medicine is used by only doctor's prescription. If doctor prescribe this medicine, you can take this medicine to treat the infection which leads to vaginal discharge in female during the pregnancy. So these are the minor element or discomfort of the pregnancy which arises in female by the hormonal changes, physiological changes and metabolic changes, which is treated by normal advices, which is also written by me and telling by me. You must apply these points. You don't use medicine during the pregnancy. So these alignments are treated by applying following measurements by the female. Don't use the medicine. If in serious conditions, if doctors prescribe your medicine, you can take. So my topic, minor alignment of pregnancy, discomfort of pregnancy, is completed. I hope you understand my topics. Thank you to all.